That it really goes say. Ah, mad. It is. The girl a sell her mouth from QQ, a sing better must come. And I know me can't see her where the bitch a run down. Anybody can fuck it and them not fi have no funds. She friendly and dumb, she will do it for the fun.
Yes, people no hear that, so Jada Kingdom decide for fire a shot off a Shenseea. You see me, I say, if you don't know what I go on, over the weekend there was the Red Bull Culture Clash. And Shenseea sing a song and this up Jada wicked. Our couple song well. You see what me I say, we don't have everything, but me do a video on that on this channel. So if you want to check out that, check out that. You see what me I say. But right now, me I say a while time on the world look away cause Jada tune a kick. You see me? Whenever I expect that. And she said, no, ghostwriter no in a thing. You see me? So this morning me jump up and me go so boom. And you know, me get a link and I say, yo, go check out Jada page, go check out Jada. I go over there and I say discover art here, I say Sheng Eng and one caption and thing. So me just think I did a little chat and thing. You see what I say? But me never know say a song. By the time I check out that and I read the caption, boom, notification come in. Jada Kingdom Sheng Eng. You see what I say? Official audio. People, so if you don't want to hear the official audio, you have to go over Vivo. You see what I say? Because I can't share the whole of it. I just can't use a little piece there. You see what I say? But I not lie, people. She surprised me, yo. She surprised me because I never knew, say, you know. Remember, say Jada no sing no whole heap of war bust out head or ray no, but she style Shenseea neatly. But nah lie. So now one see what Sheng Eng gonna say. But here what I want to do now, I want to tell him the caption when she post with the thing. So she say, them ship you back from Suriname when night we come fast with me pan clash. Could you even hear where you beat up your sour mouth bout cause alone boo them give you. It the have to announce say it never did go come at the clash people. Cause anyhow me did know, me would have hang it same time. Dopey Yang, you plan for me and still flap yourself. Hashtag Wakata. Me usually make you get where, but me I lend you a piece of rope this time. Show you how mad and bad me be pussy. At Shenseea. Hashtag mad and bad. Hashtag Kingdom Mob. Hashtag Sheng Eng. You know hear them words there, people? Jada mean war. You see me I said Jada mean war right now. So we want to see if Sheng Eng are going to pick up on. You see me I said make we see if Sheng Eng are going to answer to this. People but want to think overall. Want to think it's good for the sport. Want to think it's good for the music. Want to think them should stop right now before it start. It already a get out of hand or whatever. Let me know what you thinking in the comment section, see? And like me, I say go check out the song on our page. You see me, I say I go pin it in the comment section below. You see me? But me not lie, people. Like me say, me never expect Jada to sing a song like this. Cause this song is a real this song, people. And I don't like no cuss. You see me, I say she really say some things where I go mash Shenseea can. You see what me I say? So me I go listen to it again. In the meantime, you see what me I say, uno click and go listen to over there. And please, you see me I say, if you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to that channel here. You see me I say, like and share the video. Send it go give somebody on WhatsApp and tell them about Jada and Sheng Eng war. You see me I say.